How I can forget Asad? Asad, what's your name?
My name is Asad.
Do you make food?
Yeah.
Yes, out. Is your name Karthike? No, sir. Yes, sir. We will start from the first activity basically. Do you feel hungry? Hungry. No. So you must be knowing that why we came here? Yes, sir. We came here for the activity, not for learning. But rather than activity, we are also going to learn something that will be through the activity. So the first activity that we are going to do is, it's all about speaking. Like whenever somebody is asking you a question, you are in the habit of giving the answer by using yes and no. That we are done. So what actually we are going to do is, whatever the question I am going to make you ask, whatever the question that I am going to ask, that you don't have to speak yes and no. So two word you don't have to speak, that is yes and no. दो वर्ड आपको नहीं बोलना है आंसर देते समय, या तो yes नहीं बोलेंगे और no नहीं बोलेंगे. If you will be speaking yes and no, you will be out, and after out you can sit somewhere wherever you want to sit. Done? So I will be asking one by one. So can you please make a little bit good circle? At least you can make ellipse if you are not able to make circle. Done it. So shall we start? Let's start with, where is Ashad? How I can forget Ashad? Ashad, what's your name?
My name is Asad.
Do you make food?
Yeah.
Yes, out. Manav, how is everything?
Everything is fine.
Do you enjoy here?
I am enjoy here
You are enjoying here.
yes,
By what? Why you are enjoying here?
because
Because you are happy, I think. Are you? Yes,
happy.
out. Okay. Darsh, did you have water?
Sir, I have water.
You have water. Okay. How much?
I think 1 liter.
1 liter water in the morning?
No.
No, out. Jaya, take the mic. Who is out? Can you please sit? You can sit somewhere. Anywhere, you can sit here. Come. Those who are out, they can sit here. Asha, sit down. Okay, Jaya, how is everything?
Everything is fine.
Do you enjoy?
I enjoy.
Why we came here?
We came here for outdoor training.
Where is Om? I think he is out of Satna.
He is out of some.
Where is he?
I don't know.
You don't know? Are you sure?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. I'll come to you. So let's come to, who is Kartike or Aditya? Kartike, who is? You are. You red shirt, red t-shirt. Hold the mic. How are you?
I am fine.
Are you fine? Do you feel hungry? Hungry. No. Oh shit. You can join him. Bilal, do you want this mic? Do you want this mic? Huh? Do you want? Yes or no, something you can speak. Do you want mic?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why? Why do you need mic?
speak English.
For speaking English. Okay, but you were speaking Hindi on the road. Do you remember? Do you remember that you were speaking Hindi?
Mistake.
By mistake. Now, will you speak Hindi?
No.
No, out. Now, let me come this side. Dakshita or Swati. What's your name? Swati? Swati?
Dakshita.
Dakshita or Darshita? Dakshita, okay. Are you the student of class 9th? No, out. Come here, please. Nancy, did you come by bike? I come by auto. By auto you come? Or by bike? By bike. Who was riding? He was. Was he riding? Is he able to ride good? Or not?
Good.
Good or not good?
Good.
I think he is not good. Okay, tell me, he is good or bad? Is he bad?
It is good.
Good? He is bad. Look at, where is he? Is he bad or not?
It is good.
It is, or he is.
He is. Sorry.
He is good. Trisha, do you feel hot? I think
I feel hot.
you feel hot. So
Yeah.
do you want to sit there? Do you want to sit?
I don't want to sit.
You don't want to sit. Are you not feeling tired? Do you not feel tired?
I feel tired also.
So you can have a seat.
I'm fine here.
You are fine here. Okay. Guruveer, batao. English. Come here. Take this mic. Take it. How are you?
I am fine.
Do you need ice cream?
Not.
Not out.
What bola?
Okay, not he has spoken. Why don't you need ice cream? Why don't you need?
He unhealthy for her health.
Unhealthy for health. Wow. Good. Do you want to break it? Do you want to break it? Speak out something. Do you want to break it? Okay, come. You have to talk with Akshat. Come.
Not.
Come. Don't you want to talk with anyone? Huh?
Not.
Not. Or no?
Not.
No. How are you, Karthike? Is your name Karthike? No, sir. आइए sir. How cheaper they are. In a once they are able to speak yes and no. Where were you for last 15 days?
I was in my nanny's house.
Nani's house. Or I think you were in wedding.
Not in wedding.
Not in wedding. In birthday party?
Not.
Not. Neither in home?
No.
Did you enjoy there?
Yeah.
Yeah. How much? How much did you enjoy?
I enjoy a lot.
A lot. How many times?
I don't know.
You don't know. Little bit you can. How is he? Is he good or bad? Is he good?
He is good.
He is good. Do you know him?
Yeah, I know him.
How do you know him? How do you know?
He is classmate.
He is?
He is.
He's your classmates.
Nahin.
He's the students of college. How he can be your classmate? Tell me. How he can be your classmate?
Because he is coming in class.
He's
Hey.
coming in your class. Okay. You are left. Do you want water? Water do you need?
I need water.
You do not need water. Why? Water is important for us. Don't you know? Water is important for us. Do you know? Do you know or don't you know?
I don't know.
You don't know? You don't know?
No.
No.
Sir, can
Man, do you want to ask question to them? Are you interested
Yes, sir.
to ask? Yes, sir. Go there. Swati, where is Siva today? Yes, sir. Go there.
Sir, not yes.
Where is Siva?
There.
Where?
There.
Siva, come here. Come fast, come fast. Is she your sister?
Yeah, she is my sister.
She is your sister. How is she? She is good or bad? Or moderate?
She is moderate.
Moderate? Not good?
Not good, not bad.
Not good, not bad. Does she make food for you?
Always
Always? What she makes?
everything.
You can ask some question to her. Ask about the future plan.
Will you make tea for me? Nothing.
Nothing?
Why? Are you not my sister? I'm your sister. So why will you not make? Because you were also make.
No,
For
I
me.
no, I can't make
Why?
because I don't like to make. Do you like to make?
Yeah.
Why do you, so? Why will you not make tea for me? If you like,
Because
Because
you have two hands.
you have two hands,
No,
so you
I
can
have-
make it.
I have one hand only.
No, you have.
One has broken.
Yes, one has broken.
Okay, last question. Give me mic. I think we are feeling bored by this game. Do you feel bored?
I don't know.
You don't know. Are you not human being? Are you human being or not? Do you have emotion or not?
Have
You have. How much?
lot of.
Lots of. Do you eat samosas? Huh? Do you eat? Or don't you eat?
I don't eat.
You don't eat. It is good for health or bad for health?
Bad for health.
That is why I don't eat. What do you eat in the morning?
Chapati and vegetable.
Chapati and
Vegetable.
nothing else. Okay, done.